The au pair at the center of a high-profile double murder trial in Fairfax County shocked the court by taking the witness stand less than 2 hours ago on day one.
Yeah, he said that he didn't want to have to share Valerie with Christine, that she wasn't good for Valerie. So he wanted to have Valerie full time. And money, plus she would have more money than he would if they ever split.
Yeah, it's been an emotional day in court. Brendan Banfield, whom you see right there, wiped away tears as he listened to that 911 call made moments after his wife Christine was murdered. Thank you for being here with us at 5 o'clock. I'm Lorenzo Hall. So today we've made it through opening statements and got our first look at some new evidence. Banfield is accused of plotting with his au pair to kill Christine by framing a stranger through a fetish website. Now, the killings in their Reston home back in February of 2023 have captured the attention of the nation. Our Matthew Torres has been in the courtroom all day. And Matthew, I know you've been covering this case for years now. So what stood out to you?
Well, so first off, day one of this trial is about to wrap up with chilling testimony from au pair Juliana Magalhaes, claiming what happened during their alleged murder plot and exactly what happened to both Joseph Ryan, the man lured to their home, as well as Brendan Banfield's wife, Christine. There is no disputing, according to the opening statements from defense attorneys and prosecutors, that Juliana Magalhaes and Brendan Banfield were in an affair. But it's the question of what ultimately led to this tragedy that will be questioned during this trial.
He wanted her out of the picture.
Deputy Commonwealth Attorney Jenna Sands told jurors how Brendan Banfield and his au pair, Juliana Magalhaes, conspired for weeks to come up with an elaborate plan. Banfield allegedly created a fake profile of his wife Christine through an app for fetishes called FetLife. Sands says Banfield, pretending to be Christine, spent a month creating a relationship with a random man named Joseph Ryan. Banfield's accused of inviting Ryan to their home in Reston to roleplay a violent rape fantasy using a knife, even though Christine knew nothing about it.
Posing as Christine, he told Joe what to do. Come to the home in Reston. The door will be unlocked. Christine will be asleep in bed. Come straight upstairs, cut off her clothing, tie her, rape her. Simple and fun. And most importantly, he was not to stop. Even if she looked terrified, even if she was calling for help, he was to follow through because that's what she really wanted.
Sands alleges it was a ruse to frame Ryan as an intruder, giving Banfield the perfect opportunity to shoot Ryan using his duty gun as an IRS agent and stab his wife multiple times in the neck, all while the couple's 4-year-old daughter was in the basement.
The blood cannot lie. And the blood puts Brendan Banfield standing over Christine, stabbing her in the neck until she died.
I think Brendan shot him.
Magalhaes is also accused of shooting Ryan in the chest using a gun that Banfield bought her. She has since pleaded guilty to manslaughter and agreed to testify against Banfield. But in his opening statements, defense attorney John Carroll is discrediting any of her statements by claiming the Commonwealth pressured her to change her story to support the prosecution's case.
There are significant differences in many of the things that she's providing to the Commonwealth, some of which are changing even up to most recent prep sessions, which we had access to, of December 30th. So the question will be, what's the final statement?
And according to Juliana Magalhaes, who just took the stand, and it appears that they are about to wrap up for the day and will be coming back tomorrow morning. According to her, this plan was really all concocted by Brendan Banfield, who she had an affair with months after she was first hired onto this job. In the meantime, Carroll is also accusing the police department of not pursuing other theories in this case outside of the catfish theory that prosecutors are arguing. We will have much more from Juliana Magalhaes, including the moment she says Christine Banfield was stabbed by her own husband. Guys?
Yeah, looking at our live feed there, Matthew, of the courtroom, and it looks like Juliana Magalhaes just stepped down from the stand and went to the back of that room. You know, I got to say, from the very beginning, a lot of folks have been wondering how this could have happened, trying to make some sense of it all. And boy, listening to that testimony today was incredibly tough, especially from someone who was presumably involved in all of this. And this is only day one. All right, Matthew, thank you. And as Matthew mentioned, we are expecting court to wrap up shortly when the judge believes it is appropriate. Now, we're on top of this and bringing you the news as it breaks and keeping you up to speed on what's to come in this trial. You can stream nonstop coverage with expert analysis for free right now. Just download our WUSA 9 Plus app and tune in on your phone or your smart TV. And right there, you can see at the bottom of your screen, you will be able to easily navigate through our 24/7 coverage. It is easy.